my biggest and most special thank you to my mom. Ma, none of this would have been possible without you. From all the planning and late night preparations to making this night a dream come true. I know I don't always say it enough, but tonight, I want to tell you how much I appreciate you. Thank you for being my biggest supporter, my greatest blessing, and for all the love, sacrifices, and endless patience you've given me. Kalugulo naman. To my family and relatives, especially to Tita Nancy and Tita Karen. Thank you for your unwavering love and support po. Your presence means the world to me. And to my classmates and friends, Lisa and Chocolate Joel, thank you for bringing so much joy and energy tonight. You make every moment even more fun and unforgettable, memorable, and I'm so grateful to have you guys in my life. A huge thank you as well po to the 40s Catering, kay Ate Den, kay Ma'am Myra Cunanan, and the videographer po, the SROX Photography. Every detail tonight was perfect because of your hard work and dedication po. So I would like to thank you all po. To our photographer din po, Mantics, ayan. Thank you for capturing this once in a lifetime moment so beautifully. I can wait to look back at these memories for years to come. And to my makeup artist, si Kuya Jan, J.K. Batsil, thank you for making me the most beautiful woman tonight. Your talent and effort made this night even more special for me. And to my amazing host and former principal, my former dance instructor din po, Sir Jeff and Ma'am Vic, thank you for keeping the energy alive and making programs go so smoothly. Your presence made everything feel even more meaningful. And lastly, and most importantly po, I thank God po for the blessing with such wonderful people to share this moment with. Your love surrounds me and I couldn't be more grateful po, so I would like to thank you po. And once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much po. This night will forever be a cherished memory. Thank you po.
Ladies and gentlemen,